Welcome back to your step-by-step guide to coping with COVID-19. In this video, we will discuss more in-depth Step 2. Step 2 is about specifically understanding your responses to COVID-19. Everyone responds to stressors differently, and you're not alone. We all have these stress responses. They can be helpful initially to survive and make quick decisions, but if we experience these for too long or they start affecting our ability to cope, then this can be problematic. Use the following questions to help you when you're doing this exercise. What are your stress responses? What are the emotions, feelings, thoughts that you have in response to the stress? How do you feel stress in your body? What behaviors do you do when you're stressed out? What are your prior stress responses? Then connect your worries and your thoughts from step 1 to these stress responses. To do this step, take at least 10 minutes to sort through your reactions. Use the questions to guide you. Be compassionate with yourself. Try not to judge your reactions. Just pay attention to them. Write them down. Again, sometimes having somebody to share these with, a friend, a partner, anybody can be helpful. Remember, just labeling these reactions can be very therapeutic. Also, letting yourself feel can also be very, very powerful. To also help you with this exercise, I will go over some of the main stress responses. I will briefly explain these, and I may go through some of the examples, but I won't be able to cover all of them. So pause the video and look at the slides to go through them if you need to. There are 4 main types of stress responses. Those related to our emotions, our cognitions, our body, and our behavior. Emotional responses are the way you feel. You may feel shock, worry, disbelief, anger, despair, grief, helplessness. You may feel like you're in a dream. You may also feel like your self-esteem is low. Cognitive, that's the way you think. Your brain quickly sorts through information and cuts corners to give you a prediction to survive. It will use information from past experiences to give you a prediction to the current situation. Sometimes these are helpful, but sometimes we start making thinking errors. Here are some of the thinking errors we may have. 1. Black and white thinking. This is when you look at extreme things, either black or white. For example, things will never be the same. All of the economy is going to crash. 2. Overgeneralization. That's when you see a pattern upon a single event, or you're overly broad in your conclusion that you can draw from that event. For example, everything is always terrible. Nothing good will ever happen. 3. Disqualifying the positive. That means discounting the good things that have happened to you or that you have done. For example, the fact that I cleaned the house today doesn't count. I'm still a bad mother for not keeping up with the schedule like I was supposed to. There are many more, and you can look at them on the slide. Now let's go on to physical reactions. That's the way you feel in your body in response to a stress. You may feel tired, you may feel confused. You may also have changes in your sleep. You may also have changes in your appetite. You may also have changes in your sex drive. You may feel high alert. You may feel jumpy, easily startled. You may feel your heart racing. You may also feel short of breath. You may also feel body pains and aches. All these are physical reactions in response to stressors. Now let's go on to behavioral reactions. That's the things you do. Some people start avoiding other people or things. They may start hoarding. They may start withdrawing from people. They may start having conflicts with other people and show aggression and violence. Other people may be doing more impulsive things like drinking a lot of alcohol. So good luck with this exercise, and remember, you're not alone. Next video, we will go over step 3.